Creating ebooks, remember, it doesn't need to be complicated. It needs to be helpful, value-packed. Just create and sell digital products, offering real solutions, giving practical answers, helping solve problems in realistic ways through tangible experiences. Creativity must be very intentional. With free AI tools availability today, positioning matters. Welcome back to the channel where we teach you the fastest way to start making money online. Today's topic is how to monetize your AI-generated ebooks so that you can make more than $100 per day completely on autopilot. There are 4 steps to follow. So let's dive in and begin step number 1. Let's start with a simple truth. Selling one ebook is good. Building a business around it is better. Here's how experts monetize ebooks for maximum profit. Bundle and upsell. Turn one ebook into a series. For example, if you created an ebook on productivity, think about bundling it with additional resources like templates, checklists, or a mini course. By offering more value together for a slightly higher price, you increase the overall perceived value and boost your earnings potential. That's like getting paid multiple times for the same amount of work. Imagine having a landing page where instead of just selling a single ebook for maybe $10, you could sell a bundle of related resources for $29. That means you're making 3 times more money without necessarily having to work any harder. But even better than that, you can go one step further. With memberships, offer monthly access to multiple ebooks, guides, and other resources. People pay you every month instead of once. Think about creating a membership area where users pay a recurring fee, say $97 per month, to access not just one ebook but a whole library of content. This creates a consistent income stream and allows you to provide ongoing value to your audience. Now let's talk about licensing. Sell the rights to your ebooks to other creators or businesses. This is a great way to earn passive income at scale. Imagine if you could create an ebook once and then sell the rights to it multiple times. Licensing allows you to do just that. It lets other creators or businesses use your ebook in their own products or services, and you get paid each time they make a sale. So here's a quick recap. By bundling your ebooks, offering memberships, or licensing your content, you can significantly increase your earning potential and create a more sustainable income stream. Before we continue, let's look at this visually. Starting with a $10 ebook, you can increase the value proposition by offering a $29 bundle. Next, consider a $97 monthly membership, and finally, explore licensing opportunities that can have a value of $497. It's a simple value ladder. To illustrate this further, let's imagine you've created an ebook on productivity. By itself, it might be worth $10, but what if you could offer more value? Create a bundle that includes the ebook plus productivity templates and checklists for $29. Or even better, create a membership that gives access to not just one ebook but a whole collection of productivity resources for $97 per month. And if you really want to take it to the next level, consider licensing the rights to your ebook to other creators or businesses for $497. It's a win-win situation. Your buyers get access to valuable resources and you earn more income. Here's some stock footage of a creator conducting a workshop with a group of happy customers. Now let's move on to step number 2. You already know how to monetize your ebooks. Now let's discuss how to market them effectively. Here's the part that separates hobby sellers from business owners. Marketing systems. Think of it this way: you can create the best ebook in the world, but if no one knows about it, it's not going to make you any money. That's why it's essential to have a solid marketing plan in place. Step 1. Landing page. Set up a clean, persuasive landing page. You can use platforms like Payhip, Gumroad, or even your own website. Make sure to include testimonials, previews, and a strong call to action. The goal is to create a single destination where people can learn about your ebook and purchase it easily. Step 2. Email funnel. Give away a free mini ebook or checklist to collect email addresses. Then nurture your audience with valuable tips and gently promote your paid ebook. This approach allows you to build relationships with potential buyers and showcase the value you can provide before asking them to make a purchase. Step 3. Social traffic machine. Use platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels to share bite-sized tips from your ebook. In each video, always end with a phrase like "Get the full guide in my bio." This drives traffic to your landing page and encourages viewers to take the next step. Step 4. Affiliate army. Allow affiliates to sell your ebook for a commission. This way, others can promote your book while you earn on autopilot by offering a commission. To affiliates, you incentivize them to promote your product and expand your reach to new audiences. If you want a visual representation of these steps, here's a funnel animation showing how each step fits together. From generating social media traffic, capturing leads with a freebie, nurturing them through an email list, promoting your paid ebook, and finally offering upsells. Next, here's a closer look at the landing page mockups. Imagine having mockups like this with glowing CTA buttons that draw attention and encourage visitors to click these. Visuals help to create a sense of urgency and excitement around your ebook, motivating people to buy now. And here's the email sequence graphic. Just imagine having something like this to visualize your email campaign. You can see the entire sequence laid out, making it easy to plan and execute your email marketing strategy. Before we move on, let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of having a marketing system. It's not enough to simply create a great ebook. You need a strategic approach to promoting it. A well-executed marketing plan can turn casual readers into loyal customers. And that's exactly what we're discussing. Step 3 covers leveraging social media to drive traffic to your ebook. Why social media? Because that's where your audience spends their time. You should be where your audience is. And right now, a significant portion of the population is active on social media platforms. Now let's talk about how you can implement this. Step 4 involves building an affiliate army. By offering commissions to affiliates, you can expand your reach to new audiences. But what's in it for them? Why would someone promote your ebook? The answer is motivation. You need to motivate affiliates to take action, and the primary way to achieve that is through commissions. Now let's look at some examples of how you can create compelling offers. First, consider offering a flat rate commission, for instance, 30% of each sale. This is a straightforward way to reward affiliates for their efforts. Second, think about offering a hybrid approach. Combine a fixed commission with a bonus for hitting certain milestones. For example, affiliates could earn a 30% commission plus a $50 bonus for every 10 books sold. This approach incentivizes affiliates to go above and beyond. Finally, consider offering a tiered commission structure. Offer a lower commission rate, say 20% for the first 100 books sold, and a higher rate, say 30% for any sales beyond that. This encourages affiliates to continuously drive sales. Remember, the key is to create an offer that's attractive enough to motivate your affiliates. So don't be afraid to experiment with different structures and find what works best for you. Now let's move on to step number 3. Once your system works, here's how to scale. Now that you understand how to monetize and market your ebooks, it's time to think about scaling. How can you turn this into a full-fledged business? Outsource content creation. Hire freelancers to create more ebooks. You don't have to do everything yourself. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can connect you with talented writers. Automate with tools. Use Zapier or MailChimp to automate your emails, sales, and delivery process. This frees up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Build a brand. Instead of just one random ebook, create a brand around your niche. Think of a memorable name that represents your expertise. Some examples: Productivity Hub, Mom Life Academy, Side Hustle Blueprint. Expand into courses and coaching. Your ebook can be the entry point to more premium digital products. You've already established yourself as a knowledgeable resource. So here's a quick summary of Step 3, outsource tasks, automate processes, and think about building a brand and expanding into related products. Here's a 1 ebook brand empire pyramid graphic. At the bottom, there's 1 ebook. As you move up the pyramid, more opportunities become available. More ebooks, courses, and coaching. And here are some clips of people finding freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork. Imagine having a dashboard that looks something like this. Every notification is a sale or a sign-up. That's what it's like when you automate your emails and sales process. And that's all for step number 3. Finally, let's move on to the last step, which is closing with motivation. And you'll notice that this is done with a powerful close. This isn't just about selling ebooks. This is about building a system that works while you sleep. With AI, you don't need to be an author. You need to be a strategist. Will you keep treating ebooks like a side hustle, or will you turn them into a business empire? And if you're ready, drop "I'm building my system" in the comments, and I'll share extra resources for those who take action. Then you drop a text overlay. 1 ebook can change everything. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.